And more breaking news coming in with just days to go before demolition of their homes. The residents of the ill-fated Campacola complex in Mumbai are resorting to desperate means. They have gathered at the Chief Minister's house to appeal to him to save their houses. There was high drama when the cops stopped the residents from entering the Chief Minister's house. The delegation of the Campacola residents is being led by BJP Shaina NC. All doors shut for the residents on 1st of October. Remember when the Supreme Court delivered its final order in the case directing the BMC to raise illegal floors of the 7 buildings in the compound.
See, the legislative body is there to make laws. If they can get an ordinance to circumvent the order of the Supreme Court with regards to tainted politicians are concerned, they certainly can find an ordinance to help these innocent citizens out.
The Campacola residents are at Varsha Bungalow to meet Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan, but they have not been allowed. You can see let me show you the first visuals where all the residents in black clothes, you can see on across the road, they have not been allowed by the police security to meet the Chief Minister, and these people have come in large numbers to request and to appeal the Chief Minister to do anything and stop the bulldozing and to stop because after 11 November they might be evacuated. They have to face the bulldozer of BMC. But also another important here, it's not only the residents but also the political people like from a BJP, Shaina NC, some other individuals are here to support all these residents and to meet the CM. But even these people have not been allowed. So that's the ground reality, that now it's like they have no other option than to meet the Chief Minister. But you can see the kind of police security here. Nobody is allowed inside. On my left hand side, this road goes to Varsha Bungalow to the Chief Minister house. But now it's a completely police protection, a police security here. Let me add one more thing. Shaina ji, one important thing.
We just want to say that in the city of Mumbai, if you have 50,000 buildings where there isn't an occupation certificate, why just single out Campacola society? If there have been violations, catch the builder. You're catching families, you're catching senior citizens, you're catching young students, and you're telling them all that just get out and in stipulated time. Why have this kind of a treatment when there is a modification in the law? You pay the penalty, you give up the land which is not permissible, and catch the builders.
Even the political support is they are getting now.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
That's the ground reality. That the Campacola residents are here at Malabar Hill to meet the Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan, but police security are not allowing them, and now these residents are getting all the political support from opposition parties. With camera person Mangesh Amrit, this is Virendra Gunawat in Mumbai for Headlines Today.
And now Virendra Gunawat, in fact, joining us live from Mumbai, from Malabar Hill. Virendra, if you can actually tell us, while these residents may have in fact gathered outside the Chief Minister's residence, is it actually possible that anything can be done, considering the Supreme Court gave its order on the 1st of October directing the BMC to raise the illegal flats?
There could be a possibility where the Chief Minister has the power to change the legislation and he can bring an ordinance on that important part. But let me add a few updates as of now. 4 members of team had gone inside to meet the Chief Minister. 3 politicians and 1 resident. And let me tell you, on my right hand side, all these residents are standing across the road. Few minutes back, Chief Minister just the convoy of Chief Minister just passed from this particular road, and where the residents made an announcement saying that we need justice, we need justice. So that's what the voice has been heard by the Chief Minister. Now it's all depend on the Chief Minister whether he's really hearing the voice of these residents, and he has the willing to change the ordinance and bring the legislation to save the home of these residents. So right now, all the residents of Campacola are outside of Varsha Bungalow and on this particular road to save their home and to appeal the Chief Minister that whatever they want to do it, but they need to save their home because they're staying in this home since last 25 years. Back to you.
Virendra Gunawat bringing us that update from Malabar Hill outside the Chief Minister's